Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to export EML files to text format. Let's start by downloading PC.CML converter tool on your machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support many email client and file format, choose as per your requirement. First, go to the Open tab and select an EML Files option in the software panel. Pick the required EML folder containing useful information from the system and click on Select Folder. Wait, the software is analyzing the EML mailboxes. The tool lists all the EML mailboxes in the software interface. Now, please tap on the email and get its preview in the software interface. This way you can preview the EML email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If that EML mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message into standard formats. The Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. Now, go back to Export option and select Text to save emails in text file format. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save the final results on the system. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live conversion of emails into text file format. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button and go to Open folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and see the emails and text files. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.